Good morning. My name is Urja Jetwa and my topic is the cause of the pulmonary edema. Definition: pulmonary edema is the condition characterized by a fluid accumulation in the lung caused by an extravasation of the fluid from the pulmonary vasculature into the interstitial and the alveoli of the lungs. Pathophysiology: imbalance of the Stirling force, increase of pulmonary capillary pressure, decrease the plasma oncotic pressure, increase in the negative interstitial pressure, damage to alveolar capillary barrier, lymphatic obstruction, disruption of the endothelial barrier. Now, what are the classification? Based on the underlying cause, the pulmonary edema may be classified in the cardiogenic and the non-cardiogenic pulmonary edema. Non-cardiogenic pulmonary edema is other classified in the neurogenic, high altitude, post-aspiration, re-expansion pulmonary edema. Now, this is the difference between the cardiogenic edema and the pulmonary edema. Cardiogenic pulmonary edema. Due to a cardiac abnormalities, pulmonary capillary pressure is increased. That increase the pulmonary venous pressure. It causes left ventricular failure in the most common. Dysarthria, left ventricular hypertrophy and the cardiomyopathy, left ventricular volume overload, myocardial infarction, left ventricular overflow obstruction. Non-cardiogenic pulmonary edema. Non-cardiogenic is further divided into neurogenic pulmonary edema. Patient with a CNS disorder and without apparent pre-existing left ventricular dysfunction. Re-expansion pulmonary edema developed after removal of the air or the fluid post-thoracocentesis. High altitude pulmonary edema. It occurs in the young age. Young people who have quickly ascend to an altitude above the 2700 meter who then engage in physical exercise at that altitude before they have become acclimatized. Reversible in less than the 48 hours. Stage of the pulmonary edema. Based on the degree of the fluid accumulation, stages are divided into three: stage 1, stage 2 and the stage 3. Pulmonary edema may mild, moderate and severe. Thank you.